There's a separate video that shows how to work out the mean from group data. We're just going to make sure that we understand how to use group data to work out the median and the mode. So the median is the number that's in the middle of a data set if they're lined up in ascending order, like a group of people standing in height order. If the data has already been grouped though, we've got two things to remember. First of all, it's already in order, which is really helpful. But secondly, you no longer know the exact values that are in the data set anymore. You only know which group the values are in. So let's go for an example to make sure we know how to do that. So we want to know which group is the median value in from this set of grouped data. We need to know the total number of data items first of all. So the total number of data items here, we add up the frequencies, we get 2,130. This means we have an even number of data items. So the median will be the mean of, in this case, by dividing that in two, we get the 1065th, and then the next one, the 1066th numbers. And we need to find out which of those groups those two numbers fall into. So if we look at the frequency table, we can see that the first 220 are in the first group. Then we get up to 760 for the second group, but for the third group all of the numbers between the 609th and the 1369th are in that third group. So both the items we're looking for are in the 20 to 30 class. So we can say that the median of this data set is in the 20 to 30 class or group. You can use a cumulative frequency curve if you wish to find an exact value for the median, but in most cases we're only interested in which class it falls into. Let's move on to the mode. The mode is the most frequently occurring value in the data set. When data is grouped, this clearly can't be found out because we don't know the exact individual data values, just which groups they fall in. So instead here we use the modal class or group, the group or class that has the greatest frequency. So here's our example again. Here's the same frequency table, which is the modal class. Simply put, it's the class that has the highest frequency. That's very easy to see. It's the one that's 609. So the modal class is the class of 20 to 30. So with group data, the mode and the median are fairly straightforward to find. The mode is very simple. It's just the class with the highest frequency, and the median is the class into which the values fall when you count through the complete list of numbers of data. In both cases, however, you are only able to get the class into which the value falls. This means that you are losing some information by having the data grouped in this way. You gain, of course, by making it a little bit easier to find those values because the data is in essence already sorted into order for you because the groups themselves are usually put in order